I bring you greetings from the President of the Republic of Ghana and the staff of the Ghana High Commission. It is a pleasure to be part of this great event. My short message to you is to encourage you to get involved in all things Ghana. Whilst you are here, promote Ghana culture, promote Ghana's music, and never lose your identity. Because it is your Ghanaian identity that enriches you and makes you different in the United Kingdom. So, thank you so much. And for you, the young ones, aspire to be the greatest you can be in the United Kingdom. Take advantage of all the opportunities here. And when you make it, don't forget the country from which you received your infant nature, Ghana. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Papa Awusu.
For Moshe Julie Juu Tv. I said the year cano, yes, you were Ghana party in the park. Na enania ebeko subia, anani eko subia, anya de bremo. Say you were yanya diem, adia papa wofia oye. Ghana High Commission. Say ona yedro. Ayane ye bosso nankasa. Ghana High Commission. Commissioner nankasa ana Julie Juu TV yanya na ene baba chuchenkobo. Endi sabre yebe bisa papa yebe bisa didi na fe de atoaso no yedo atoaso. Honorable me pa cha within the say.
From Papa also Ankuma.
Minim say you from Papa also Ankuma ba me pesa adofo hu say the one and only Papa also Ankuma. Ono an ye hia na ye ne bonkombo. Papa Ghana High Commission. Me pa cha ye mujumedi ankasa ene say.
Oh, ye na adwuma there. Yejina Ghana man enoman pina name wa brochira Ozikan Ghana ni UK yehun kitahuzi hujuma ene ezi otode bie yebua ma trade between UK and Ghana no why ye kase and I'm here, Papa, so you there. Ghana far, what's happening so? Yashe, Mawon Yezi, anyway, ye, Wakodo. And Tim Bibi to Ghana, Yibi Waha offered honor and Abrochir, Aban, Anna, Ejume Bima, and Pana. Yebo tumi abua no so ne abua enti mobo no tofa ye ne adwuma ye yasanso ya ma passport and I want to opera ko Ghana so a wo pia visa so yazema won
yo baba me honorable me dance me to say ya apart from say ya boa Ghana for no say obi pe passport oye Ghana ni nkwadia Ghana High Commission be man passport and obi so super say okwa Ghana onye Ghana ni na ope visa akwa sa Ghana and also so ya ma ube man visa amane dia ko
them not say 9
enti afuto be na ode be ma Ghana fo a ebia omu nim adepoti Ghana Commission e wo ho ede ma ya afuto be na ode be ma wo
makade Ghana Commission or your Ghana Yibia Nifie. Enti Bibimpo and pede ehu anentase epede ehu a aba Ghana High Commissioner ya be cheche macho ena Ghana High Commission so ye gbe he na abu se bibi no ho na se ba embo bi wo hɔ a ana kwankyere bi wo hɔ a yes be tramo mama yenhu Ghana High Commission yo oye bibi wu Ghana fa wo hanti and a High Commission wo the best so ebia and I want see Ghana High Commissioner say and ebia bibi wo wa wo jizi do the Ghana High Commissioner to me e want to me ya mesre wo bisa na yetu in church mo
Honorable Medase pa wa de wa church mama Ghana for ate ase eye nuanom anansa ne ne yai omo drive free Ghana eba UK high mi hu se odi omu chia mu ebo omo abaso enti enkransa be na wo de be ma ye nuanom so a ewo Ghana omo vision bi edi si omo ani so se omo be ye
ono ze makade za ye nuanom a wo drive 10,000 kilometers was ba mo za che de se bibia si Ghana fu ye nyodo na say ye kan hu boma ye botum yaye enti bibi so osi wenyodo a mama bibia ran su kwan mo jindo ya za enkotuma ye pir na bomozan na nyame na adu e botum yaye ene e wo hei so yesterday ye boke ye wuye embra owo kruma no so ye bezido na ha opportunities for us in Ghana. The young bombers in there, you better take advantage of opportunities. The yaba, emba, yaba one, woman, you won't go on. Yet it's 1 year. No to in 1 billion pan. Mamma, I against the capi, they enjoy emba, one and them. Obandama, Obotum there, they will get involved in things that are not good for them. It's a matter was papa, Nama Boado, the Julie Juu, the great Julie Juu, Warau TV so as a year, as a Wakana for as they educate one. Yamin show.
Medase honorable Medase Yamin show so. And the honorable you. Honorable if I say what you are done for now, Yako, Obia, Odonibia,
the minister, Ghana far, Wawa Bruchira, and I want to word say Julie Juu television, Bichobia, Namasra in there, and maybe Biaraso, Moma, Yenuan today, Ghana for me there, and Zamapina. Onye hene ni so ofa Ghana ho na sai na ya bomazan na se boa za ye pede Ghana ye no obotu waye
yes so ya da say ya ni honorable we ene honorable ka baba che wadofo na fe adofo honorable se mo ma ba yo Julie Juu Tv ya da mo ase bebre mo nko so a hwe Julie Juu TV me nuanom ne adofo a mo hwe Julie Juu TV me say bo modian subscribe to your channel no like share now we are welcome on my comment me wo emaba wo fe mienu e wo me nche anakwa mo me enka na Ghana ma ho fe emaba wo hu twa wo mo hu Julie Juu ye ncho picture me say mo kra mo mra me hia mo hu akono emaba wo hu ofe maybe say wo mo dey mama ya fra o say
acha me de tinewa
okay what's what they say Vivian and what's that
tinewa
oh mama tinewa okay na moti krom ha hefa na mote
acha me Reading
and also what
Enfield
sama hu mabawa o ma no krom be bia o mbekasa no kra eno kra ya boxing bow na program ame first time I would baby ni ana wa baby da
Pachowe my first time, but it is so nice. Menya akwenya ne Asian for baby ni je pa mami. Me that's it.
Okay. Mame, First time I only about program be saying and our baby da.
But should be first time. So the madam for the kind.
Now buy so when say.
BBA possible call.
Enti ya kacha mo senya me ya adoma next year bi ebe no. Munya akwanya se wo se mo ba. Mo beba na mo di ho dance ya akira amanfo so so omomra ana se mo be ye mo ho kwani.
Ye beba pa, ye be di ho dance su bebre.
Enti samba na okacha wada
me culture obi biara se unya akwanya na oba hanoma obenya akwanya no e de hu nkofo bebre ama enije aba wabrabo.
Aha, also ye nkwen.
Oh, me culture obi ase obi ambra next year obi ambra na higher front.
Okay. Just say we nanfofo abaka chom se wadanfo bia pese obeba Ghana party in the park o mama de amranya sa.
We ba sure ani.
Okay, me pese wo chia wadofo wo ka hello to wadofo bia wa sorry for ana wo school for ana wo nanfofo wa adwumamfo.
Me chia obia Ghana ni bia me chia obi omomo Ghana ne omomo henna me chia obia.
Hey, sana wo chia de. Hey, obi o wa hebi obi anti wo ayi wo maame family for papa
mami say kuya me chia me na me chia me aunties omomo wa ha no omomo wo fie na
mame sia wa busuafo wo omomo wo krom ha omomo wo Ghana wo nanfofo
me chia me nanfofo nyina omowo redden me sa chia me mami penyi ene me mami ankasa ne mechuba me chia obi biara wo Ghana o show me.
Enti unya kwanya say ya second for Julie Juu Tv rate ya that's am na obeka
ne rate 10/10.
Hey Julie Juu TV okay what's what
100/100.
Hey anyway the obi ni mo mpa bo abro so Julie Juu TV Adam was say
yes
Adam was say mo obi bi kana
Debbie yeah that was say yeah be say no traffic
many mo be twa dodo wo so obi bi abeka
that's so me akwanya ne no wakasa
yo Julie Juu TV ahaya eni edu besi e maba wa ha omo ofese ma hu Ghana for maba wa omo hu twa papa ye da mo ase mo nko so anto Julie Juu TV ahaya ni edi mo besi mini anom ne adofo se makacha me se ene ampaye a ebedwa e wo Ghana party in the park. I sabre ya mini aba ho ofefo bi e wo me nchen ha sei a me ni bedi nkomo ai waka Ghana Artists Guild UK ho I gag UK oka ho enti mini aba ai mami nkita ma je microphone ai bo wudi ncha adofo na afei kan dia wonim bia ne
ebusuafo and then Ghana party in the park your friend Micheline na maybe shabi nwa ba wa he kwa de na che say ye be kase ne anyoma ekoso wa anu say nyoma ekoso butubutu enya easy Ghana bibia wa anu say aduane edi ya che enu nyoma ekoso nya ekoso wa anu say bi ekoso so wo fie be ma say be fie be hu nya ekoso no enu na ekoso afi so artist su bebre ya bon dwoma ye di asa butubutu so wa anu nya asem keto na ekoso at least and togetherness aba boy hu o ma che Ghana nyoma ya fi nya to say ni nya e wa ha no we say enye easy kra
enti ya ma wa kwanya say to obi for next year say Ghana party in the park at the end ka ahomeka nti omra bia de asam na obeka
ebusuafo mesira wa next year entinefie che say trembi kanebra che say yeti koman we say yesori ya ejuma ya I mean it's opportunity we ya ba free come and socialize be hwe enkofo a wo afie omo brand be diga na aduane a wodi bi ache musicians e wo ma che ndwo ye ti ya ache woni mo mba na mbra wo se mba no ya wo mu okuo ma lu say hwe media na odi mi o tazi we media onu nie me de na ba no because no Omuni me kro masitna, omuni Ghana enyom e koso ontino. Odi omo ba na omo nya the feel of Ghana. It's a very important say. Metne fie, wo ba so a de busuafo ni nia, mo ni omo embra. No benya the feel of Ghana.
That's a baby. I put over now the mama wadofo. Bibia o kan bia na wa chia wadofo so na fe ye rap up. Chia wadofo.
Yo, ebusuafo sando hwi me de advice kaka metu aka say ye nia ye hwe ye hu su yie because and then bebre na ekoso wo wiase ni mu ti awon ba mbo kese ehia pa afesu di chia kese e ma me aunties e wo Ghana me ma me flish abudu ene me ebusuafo che say me adofo mo Ghana yina me de asda kese e ma mu yina nyame ka mu yina mo.
Yo, and the Julie Juu TV so yeah, that's na one chia artist girl the for work re mohana.
Oh, artist girl the for mamu nim say yeah me ne mu ade edi boko ye movie ni egusu ye de day Danny any members ni am di check say mamu yina mama me say ya movie ye say ye bi akebi nyame na sabeto super dey to ye movie na ba out so am srema obi am be hwe bi because ye kire na so
Yo, and yeah, that must be ahaya and the menu about an interview no. Yeah, the best yeah, that must say 10 year mother for bye bye. Bye bye. Menu no near for other for Musha Julie Juu TV. Some catch them, me see you were Ghana party in the park. Near Echo Subia, I will have the Bebremo. Namunim, you were a biwaha. I know come me and Kanagana Maho fe. Sa May. One more Miss Ghana 2023. Namunim, ye were 2022 so our how. I want the wedding kind I send a crown. Now, your friend say,
I say, friend Eunice, Mammy, I draw boats my dipoku.
Eunice, Mammy, I draw boatema. Eunice, Mammy, I draw boatema at Dupoku. When I win Miss Ghana 2022.
Pachine.
Who win it? You know who they say.
Hey, I was
so excited.
Mixed emotions, but it's been amazing so far.
Yo, say 2022, there were honey the annual yo. Yo, they say 2023. Usha ma fe ya. Eh, jina haya. Woman the year 2023. Na monim, eni baba akope na besha crown no. Why na wa usha o besha. Sabre ye be ko wo ntan akọ bisa wo mudin na fe ne eto aso no ye de amamo maame ye fini say ya akọ ni say ye fra wo say
acho me de meshala erekwe oforiwa opoku asamwa
ande what na kro ma cha
Pashai
ye wo wa na
there be over Amsterdam
and Amsterdam na masama chemenemba enti dem bisa say wo na ha maame wo so
Pache from me, I join your home, Sisafo.
Another empire bejo. Messi. Tamini Kuchu Nashaye. Miss Ghana UK 2023. 1 year new Mudin Common. Mame, what year 2022? Ye be ye baba Sonia no abon komo. Yanko, what did you say?
Pacho from Joanna Baidu.
Okay, Fama
Your friend is Shadel Akosia Ano. Shadel Ano.
Okay.
Yes.
My friend Jada, Samantha, yeah, Epraku, Harrison, and then. You didn't get my name?
Yes.
Oh, okay, my bad. Jada, yeah, it's yeah, Epraku, Harrison, and then Samantha is as well, but it's okay.
My English name is Blessing Sonny Love Don Koyosen, and I fear so your friend me a rabbina Abena Kunedu.
Okay.
Hasho friend me got love Adoma Bathwater.
Someone who maba wa fefe. Why and the be winning crown? Na Miss Ghana no tamba na eba so. Why na one person okasa? Why ya? Okay. Yes. Tamba na beba so. Hey. Papa we okasa ya manti ya. Aya onua. Ayaka.
I think the competition should be around late October to early November. It's not been finalised yet, but it should be happening around that time, definitely. So yeah.
Ayo, Mate. Yepese, yeni yenua ba na o wini 2022 no. Yeni ni di nkomo kakra bi. Mame, je na fe bo udin. Na fe che wo wini ye no. Wo wini 2022 no. Eni ji a wo ji ye. Ye bo udin se we wini no. Eden na edie na ye wo. Kani nyina de say ye bia me ma microphone kani nyina tira do for muti.
Yo, my job Ghana for Pasha Fermi Eunice, my Mia Joa Boatma Edipoku, the current Miss Ghana UK Queen for 2022. Wow, the day that I won, no, like the emotions was too much. The first reaction that I had was I just thanked God for how far He had brought me on that day, and I just saw my family rushing to the stage, and they were filled with so much excitement. I think that day I felt fulfilled, I felt grateful, and I just knew that the work ahead of me, it was great, but I was ready for the task. So yeah, it was mixed emotions.
Yeah, that's a bebre nyame nshra. Na monim. Me pese obia eka bibicha na dofo se edu se ye tu aba amamo a edu se ye bie no we no ne etu aba amamo se obia intensive vote e ma ne nkrofo a me pese ne obia hia no monka ncha modofo ene emanfo a ehwa mo na mo betse nkrofo se nkrofo vote mamo ye said the beya obia be kan de inti ya de free so kan ya obesa o kan wo wi afama no wo so wi na de aba sa why wan kan de obeya mesimi se srama ya wa sama yanko.
Thank you. Hello Pacho, me Mishala mabomidin dada Pacho ya mo voting mame. May apply for Miss Ghana because exposure Emma Muni. So Pacho voting mame, I'll be able to give back to my community. Thank you.
Hello, Pacho, your family Ajwa, mabomidin dada. I applied to Miss Ghana to build my self-esteem and also give women a voice, especially in the education sector, in the poverty sector as well. And today, for instance, we went around raising for money for women in Ghana, stuff to deal with their period and stuff because of the economy in Ghana right now, women are not able to afford pad. So these are some of the things that I want to do. So if you vote for me, that would be really amazing. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, Pachoa from Joanna. One vote man because me would die fan to Fubiale winning Miss Ghana da. Into this is the right UK ha. Into Pacho, this is the year fan to the win at the cool. Also, I have a business that sells African products, Ghanaian products specifically. So I want to take Ghana to the world, and this is one of my main missions, and also to help the youth, the girls in Ghana. So one vote to Mom, that's it.
Thank you. My name is Shadel once again, and yes, me Pacho, vote Mami why? Right, help me, Bwame, and vote for me so that I can form a platform and encourage the youth, empower women and those who need to be empowered through my platform. Thank you very much.
Hi, thank you for listening to me. My name is Jada Anan, and Mipacho, please vote for me because I'm currently a master's student. I'm studying law at the moment, but I work at a secondary school. I specialize with children that have special needs. I have an English class that I teach every day, and I know that neurodivergence and having a learning disability is something that tends to be overlooked, especially in the Black community as well. So that's why I'd like to win the competition and use my platform and privilege to help those that really need it, because there is a lot of stigma between mental health, learning difficulties as well in Africa, and I think that needs to change. So yeah, thank you for listening.
Hello, Pacho Midinde Blessing. Pacho Mr. Momonto Emame. I am not here just to stand for Miss Ghana UK, just for myself, but I want to use this platform to be a voice for the voiceless. I have gone through a lot of underrepresentation, and I know how it feels to be underrepresented, especially in the UK, in so many industries, especially with the corporate industry. There's a lot of underrepresentation going there, and a lot of people look down on us as black people. So I want to use this platform to be that voice for the voiceless and advocate for that change and empower our black community to believe in ourselves, and encourage ourselves and stand for what we believe in and be proud of our roots and our culture. So please vote for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Godslove Adoma Bafota. Please do vote for me. I'm here. I've come a long way, and this particular platform has helped me a lot to develop my self-confidence. I have a lot of women around me, and I want to encourage my little sisters, anyone that's looking up to me, that they can do it and their own beautiful in their own way. Thank you.
Yo, yeah, the Mansi Bebre, and the Julie Juu Tv, and one year the Abramono. Mumma Modia, says a Biesa or Bian vote man a bushia for an Anna Dofwa. Monsha Maba way him. Namu voting for Mania Modono. Ahaya, any dumbesi. Say goodbye, bye.